this is Locks. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to vlog 69 of the hashtag 365 hour series. And today we have this Smith & Locke closed shackle padlock. Show you it working. I'm gonna try and go excuse me, upside down in the keyway. Well, this is actually the Euro style. I seem to have a lot more success this way, to be honest, in the vise. I struggle picking up in the vise, but down ain't too bad as a rule. And there we go. That weren't too bad at all, was it? Under a minute. Happy with that. There we go. So the Smith & Locke closed shackle padlock opened. That's it for vlog 69. Just a little quick one again today. What I'm aiming to do is just try on each vlog. I'm going to try and get at least one lock open. So that's today's lock. Hope you all enjoyed that quick open. Hope you all have an amazing and wonderful day. See you later.